Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I got a package from E.L.F. and I was super excited about it. I sent over this box with all of their new putty blushes and a new like putty primer applicator brush and some of like the little minis. These come in like a little mini set now. All the regular primers and then some of the new lip shades. So I'm going to be trying those out today. I first saw them post on Instagram about like the putty blushes. I was super excited because one, I love blush, and two, I love the putty formula that they have. I really like their regular, just the regular putty primer. I didn't really care too much for the luminous one, and I never tried the matte one. I do have a video on the luminous one, I think, and the regular one. But I'll put them up here somewhere if I can find them. I did do a video on the luminous one for sure, I know that one, but I really like the regular one. I couldn't find my regular size one, so I did use like this little mini one today. It's a little set of all three little minis for $9, so that's really cute. I was really excited for this brush. It's like a putty primer brush applicator, so it has like the little brush up here and it has like a little scoop to kind of like scoop it out, which I like because I really don't like digging my finger in there. So I think that's really nice. I did try this out today. I will put a clip of me trying it out. I didn't want to do like a whole full like segment of it, but I'll put that in here right now. I really liked the brush. It was like really nice to just take the product out, and I like this brush a lot. I kind of want to pick another one up because I feel like this would be a really good one, it could be a really good like travel foundation brush, but it looks very similar to the brush that I use right now to apply my tinted moisturizer. It's the It Cosmetics little, what brush is this? The Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection brush. It looks very similar, just like a little bit smaller, and I like that. They actually have a brush like this. I was looking on the website right now. It's like dual-ended just like this. Cosmetic brushes are really expensive, so, but I really liked this brush a lot. I think it blended in the primer really nicely, so I like it a lot. I never apply primers with a brush. Like I always just apply them with my hands. It's just like my, I don't know, like I'm sure, what the hell is this? Most of us like apply primer with our fingers. Like it's just kind of like a go-to way to apply it, but it is a lot more sanitary to apply it with a brush. So this was really nice. This brush is $6, so I definitely think it's worth it. I just want to get that out of the way, but I did try that out. I wanted to let you guys know about that really quick. I have my base on and stuff. I'm excited for the blushes. I will include swatches of them, but I'm probably going to use only one or maybe two of them. Don't know how to apply these yet, like what brush. Maybe I should use this little brush to apply it as well. I do have my little duo fiber brush that I always use, but I don't know if that'll work on this formula, you know? But yeah, so there are 9 blushes in here. I will include swatches of them, but I think I'm going to use this one. Names like underneath each blush except for this one, and there's no name on this one. Very strange. No names on here. That is kind of annoying. There's no names on literally any of these, so I don't know the names. Let me look on the website. So there's only 8 on the website. Are these the same color? I literally can't tell. Like, maybe they are. So maybe this one is Turks and Caicos. I'm gonna assume it's Turks and Caicos. If it's not, I'm pretty sure it is. That's the one I took from that spot. So there's Turks and Caicos Tahiti. This one looks the most like something I would like. I'm like showing you the other side. This is like a peachy corally color. Include the swatches of them right here. So there's just like a range of them. They're all really good. I think it's a really good shade range for blush. There is light enough colors in here for fair skin tones, definitely some shades in here for like medium skin tones, and some for deep skin tones, which I think is super important. Obviously, I feel like a lot of times deep skin tones get just looked over when it comes to like complexion products, blushes, bronzers, highlighters, stuff, you know that. So I'm really happy that there are some deeper blushes in here like Maldives and Caribbean. Even Bali is pretty good. Fiji would work, I feel like. I'm gonna go ahead and just try this out. I think I'm gonna use the little primer brush because I don't really know what brush I want to use. I'm gonna kind of take my brush in there and I'm just gonna stamp it on. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I like this color a lot. This one is Turks and Caicos. I am not exactly 100% sure. Okay, so they definitely are pigmented. Like that built up really nicely. This is 2 layers. The first one was that first layer that I just put on. But I think maybe this little brush would be the best way to apply it. I usually apply cream blushes with a duo fiber brush like this, but this isn't technically like really a creamy product. Like it's still more of like a putty. I mean, it does feel like a cream kind of, but I think I would get a better application like this. So this is like 2 layers right here, and I think it's really good. So if you guys have any like little like dense brushes like this, I think it would work, but if not, e.l.f. brushes are obviously pretty cheap, so like this color a lot. I like the formula. It's not like picking up my foundation underneath or anything. It's not patchy or anything. It's going on super nice. That is Turks and Caicos. I think I'm gonna go in with one more just to kind of like try out another shade. Take a little bit of Tahiti. This one's like more of a mauve color, so I think mixing these two would be really pretty. I just want to try another color, you know. Let's see. Let's take a little bit of this one. Oh, this one's kind of darker, but I think one layer should be okay. I like those two mixed, they're really pretty. These definitely have like a little bit of a glow to them. Like I definitely see kind of a sheen. It looks like a cream blush on my face. It doesn't feel tacky or anything. It doesn't really feel like it's gonna move around. Go back a little bit with Turks and Caicos on this side. I have a lot of blush on. Yeah, I for sure have a lot of blush, but it's okay. I'm doing a blush video. It's fine. So that is the blushes right there. I really like the formula so far. It feels nice. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. You know, sometimes with like cream products, they could feel a little heavy. Don't feel like that. They feel nice. If you watch my channel often, you guys kind of know like the type of blush colors I like. If you're similar to me, I definitely would pick up Turks and Caicos. Tahiti, I would have to mix it. It's a little too dark for me. Turks and Caicos was perfect. I feel like Bahamas would also be really nice too. I think Bora Bora would look really nice on like a little bit more of a fairer skin tone. I feel like you could probably shade this out a little bit. It won't be like as intense. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face really quick. I wanted to use, well, I'm gonna put on my Putty Eye Primer. It just feels right for this video, but this is the eye primer I use all the time. It's my absolute favorite. I have the light one. I don't know what name of this one is, but I'm almost like hitting the bottom of this and I love this so much. It's literally like my favorite eye primer. Look at these glitter liquid eyeshadows in the mail as well. They sent these over in like a big box of some gift sets and I don't have any of these, so I want to try one of them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do kind of the rest of my face really quick and maybe I'll show you guys how they go on if you guys haven't tried them yet. I'll do that really quick. Okay, I just threw like a crease color in my crease really quick. I just used the Fenty #1 Snapshots. I always just use like this little bottom section of it like every day. But I'm taking the Flirty Birdie little glitter eyeshadow and I'm just gonna apply it straight on, I think. Yeah. Ooh, these are so pretty. Honestly, I'm super late on these. I know like so many people always talk about how good these are, but I just never had any. So I'm gonna take a brush just to kind of soften this edge up here. So it's not like super harsh. But hello, these are stunning. I love this gift set, if they still have it. It's called the All That Glitters Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow Vault. One of the like many gift sets that they came out with. However much this is, I definitely recommend it. These are so pretty. They're so sparkly. I feel like a really soft eye. Since I put so much blush on, I want to keep the eyes really simple. So I do like something super fast and easy. Just throw on like a bronzer or just like a quick crease color in your crease and put this on top and it's a look. Okay, I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup. I just wanted to use this on camera because it's so pretty. Like I said, this is the shade Flirty Birdie, I think. I can't see, I'm literally blind, but I'll link everything down below. Okay, before I give you guys my final thoughts on everything, we do have 3 new shades of the Ride or Die lip balm. I actually haven't tried these yet, but a lot of people have said that they're really good. So we have PSL and Cheeky Cherry. I might go in with this one first just to see how it looks. I want to go with something kind of natural today. So let's see what this one looks like. But if it's too light, I might go in with Cheeky Cherry or whatever. Oh my god, are these like thick? Like there's literally nothing coming out. I'm scared. Oh, there we go. Oh wow. I'm not expecting that. They are thick. Oh, okay, I like that. But like I said, this one's called PSL. Really pretty. Really nice on the lips. These are 100% vegan. They don't really have a scent. They just kind of smell like lip balm. So this is the finished look. I love this blush. Like the blush is just like, that's all I'm looking at. Ties really nicely in with this lip as well. But yeah, I really like them. I think they're really nice. I'm definitely going to keep using these. I like the formula. They don't feel heavy on my face at all. Like it doesn't feel like I have like a heavy cream or anything. But then again, like they're kind of like a putty texture, so they're not super heavy anyway. By the way that they're sitting on the face, I think they were like pigmented enough, but also like not super overly pigmented, but they did build up pretty nicely. I really like that one shade that I used first, Turks and Caicos, but I did like also putting that other shade on top of it as well. Turks and Caicos is definitely gonna be like my go-to. I love that. And I just really like the Putty formula. Hear me out. Can they come out with Putty bronzers? Because that would be really good. I'd be super down for that, but I really like these. I definitely think you guys should pick some up. I think the shade range was really nice. I think the formula is nice. They have like a slight glow to them, but it's not anything like super crazy. Like they're not shimmery. There's no glitter in them. They just like leave like a nice little healthy glow. This glow that you see on my face right now, that's highlighter. It wasn't really from the blush. Your skin, you know, that kind of glow that your skin already naturally has. So yeah, I like them. I don't even know how new these are. I remember seeing them posted on Instagram, but I feel like it's been a kind of a while already, but I just got them in the mail. So I thought I would film a video on them because I was excited about them. But leave me a comment down below if you guys have tried these out already. Do you guys like them? Have you like used them over time if you have tried them out? Let me know your guys' thoughts. I want to hear them in the comments. Just E.L.F. kills it. They're honestly like one of my favorite like drugstore, like literally at the drugstore, like cheap affordable brands besides like ColourPop obviously, but I still feel like E.L.F. is more drugstore than ColourPop. They're just a lot cheaper than ColourPop, but yeah, overall 2 thumbs up for me. I love it. Yeah, anyways, I just realized that this is probably gonna be my last video until after Christmas, so I just want to wish you guys all a really Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are staying safe. If you guys don't celebrate Christmas, just have a nice safe holiday or time at home with your family or whoever you're celebrating with this year. I know times are like really tough right now. I know for a lot of us this is gonna be like a first Christmas without a loved one at home, so I'm just sending you guys a lot of love and I hope that you guys have a good rest of your week. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys have a good holiday, however you're gonna spend it this year. If you're spending it by yourself at home, whatever, I hope that it is as good as it possibly can be. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.